I guess from this point on, I'm just going to answer the question I see in the chat. So, my friend Thomas is asking what I thought about the refs from the UCF Maryland game. So, if you don't know what happened, I am a student at UCF, and I went to the UCF Maryland game for football last night. It was. I'm gonna say it wasn't the best game in general, just because we had many turnovers. The Maryland team missed two field goals, and nobody could really put too many points on the board. It ended up being 17-17 at the end of regulation, and so the in general the teams kind of canceled out. Obviously, they tied, but in football, you're not supposed to tie. So the college rules have a sort of shootout style overtime. So what this means is that both teams take turns starting on the 25, and they have to, just like they were in a normal portion of the game, attempt to score in the best way possible. And so let's say the first team scores a touchdown. That means that the next team has to score a touchdown in order to stay in the game. But if the first team doesn't score, or they score a field goal, and then the next team scores a touchdown, then the second team wins. And so it's a shootout style, and it goes back and forth. But what happened in the UCF Maryland game is it actually went to double overtime, which means in the first overtime shootout, we both scored touchdowns. UCF scored a touchdown after Maryland scored a touchdown, which meant that Maryland then got to choose whether they wanted to go first or second. And obviously they chose second, because it's better to know what you need to achieve before, as opposed to trying to put up the most and put the person on the spot. That doesn't really work, because if someone fails to score points on their first try, on their try, then on your try, then you have less to worry about. And so it's a little bit off of your stress. But what happened in second overtime is that UCF went first, and on third down, our rookie freshman quarterback tried to throw the ball, made a very obvious forward motion, and but the ball was somewhat tipped, and it ended up going pretty much lateral. And in football, if the ball goes backwards, even on a throw, it's considered a fumble. But whatever the case was, I'm not sure what the perspective the refs had. They called it a fumble initially. And in these circumstances, anything controversial goes to a booth review. So the booth reviewed it, and because there apparently was not enough evidence to overturn the fact that it was a fumble, to say that it wasn't a fumble, which was what seemed fairly obvious in the replays, the refs considered that the call on the field stands, which means that the call was there wasn't enough evidence to overturn the call. And so I do pretty strongly disagree with how the call was handled. But at the same time, I'm not sure that it would have affected the game. I've thought about it, and so it was third down, and if the call had been given in our favor to where it was an incomplete pass, it would have been fourth down. We would have been forced to kick a field goal, which would have given us 3 points. But in the end, Maryland won with their backup quarterback, I will say, with a touchdown. So I don't think that we could have stopped Maryland. All we could have done was put up 7 points to continue playing until we inevitably failed, or just got lucky and stopped them once. So that's my honest opinion. I am pretty mad about the call, but I'm not overly distraught about the end result, I guess. So that may be the unpopular opinion at UCF, but I don't know. The whole game in general wasn't that great. It was any game that goes to double overtime is intense because when you're in the stadium, just the entire emotion is crazy. But the problem is that I tend to look at things from a practical perspective, and to be honest, I don't think in that second overtime we really had a shot. Just on the fact that it went to third down and then we failed to convert that third down. Whether or not it was a fumble, I don't think it was. But the refs were wrong, but that doesn't mean that we were wrong in losing, I guess. So that's my opinion. And so if you have any comments on that, please leave them in the chat or in the comments later. But that's pretty much all I want to talk about today. I'm happy with the picture that we've created here. So I will be posting that on Facebook. And as soon as this goes live, I will also be posting the link on this to Facebook if you want to share this with any of your friends. But other than that, I plan to see you Wednesday for another midweek update. So I want to thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you Wednesday.